The ancient Greeks believed Zeus is the strongest god in the universe and the ruler of the heaven and earth. He is also the god of the sky and the father of gods and men. His power allows him to control the weather. He can make storms, rain, and the darkness. At his command, the thunder rolls, the lightning flashes, and clouds rain upon the earth. All of the Greeks worshipped Zeus. They built many splendid statues of him, which show the god as a grand and noble man. Zeus always has long hair and a flowing beard. In one hand, he carries a bundle of thunderbolts ready to be thrown. He frequently wears a crown of leaves on his head. The Greeks believed that Zeus lived on the top of Mount Olympus. This is the tallest mountain in Greece. Its peak is hidden from view by clouds and mist. Zeus lived there with his wife Hera in a palace made of gold and silver. The Greeks first worshipped Zeus at Dodona, an ancient oracle in Greece. The oracle sat at the foot of a mountain in a region called Pyrrhus. At the oracle, people claimed to hear the Zeus voice in the whispering leaves of a giant oak tree. The voice told the wishes of heaven, they said. Later, people worshipped Zeus at Olympia in Elis. There was a giant temple dedicated to him at Olympia. The Greeks believed that Zeus sometimes transformed himself into a human. He did this so that he could visit Earth. On Earth, he rewarded good people and punished the bad. One time, Zeus went to Earth and made a journey through the kingdom of Phrygia. None of the people there offered to help Zeus. Finally, he reached the home of an old man and his wife, who gave Zeus some food. To thank them, he promised to grant any wish they desired. The old couple wished that they could serve the gods and end their lives at the same time. After this said, Zeus transformed the couple into two trees. They remained forever side by side. Another time, Zeus made a journey through a place called Arcadia. The people there recognized him and honored him as the king of the heaven. Yet their own king Lycaon questioned Zeus. He said he would kill the god. To stop him, Zeus turned Lycaon into a wolf. The Roman god Jupiter is often confused with the Greek god Zeus. Both are the head of the Olympic gods. But Jupiter has complete power over life and death. In this way, he differs from Zeus, who was sometimes controlled by the Fates. The Fates were three goddesses who controlled the lives of gods and men. Zeus often descends to visit Earth. However, Jupiter always remains in heaven. And that's all for today. Thank you.